How to fix Roblox not launching. Sometimes when you're trying to open up your Roblox, then there might be a problem with launching the app. The causes might be corrupted Roblox files, an outdated graphics drivers, or a temporary issue with Roblox servers. To make sure Roblox files are up to date, first of all, go to your settings and make sure to reset your Roblox or simply uninstall it. Now inside settings, go to your apps, click on install apps, scroll down to Roblox. Now you should find your Roblox right here. Go to the three dot icon inside the Roblox, click on it. And if you have advanced options, then make sure to enter inside advanced options and click on reset. If you don't have that, then what you can simply do is uninstall the app and install the app from Microsoft Store again. The next place you can go is to Troubleshooter. Click on other Troubleshooter, and if you have Windows Store app Troubleshooter right here, then make sure to run the Windows Store app Troubleshooter, or else you can also click on Program Compatibility Troubleshooter and click on Run, which might fix your problem. Then the next option you gotta keep in mind is make sure that the Windows has the latest update installed. Click on it and make sure to click on check for updates. And if you have any updates, then make sure you install the updates, which will keep your Windows up to date, which might solve your problem of Roblox not launching. The next thing to keep in mind is updated graphics drivers. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, then make sure that you install the GeForce Experience application, go to drivers, and you can simply click on check for updates. And if you have any updates, then make sure to install the updates, which is one of the solutions by which you can solve your problem. If you use the AMD graphics card, then make sure to update your graphics drivers with the help of AMD Radeon software. One of the major issues that your Roblox is not launching might be because of Roblox server issues. So to check that out, go to status.roblox.com and make sure that the servers are operational for both users and players. If the systems are not operational and your Roblox app is not launching because of that, then all you can do is wait. The next thing to keep in mind is the Roblox compatibility. So go to Roblox player, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility tab right here, click on it. Make sure to click on run this app in compatibility mode 4, click on the drop down menu right here and click on Windows 7. After you do that, then your problem might be solved. And also, don't forget to disable full screen optimization right here. So after you choose these two options, then the problem you've been facing will likely be fixed. Click on apply, and that's it. Those are some of the methods on how you can fix your Roblox app not launching. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.